We worship Krishna, we think of Krishna, we work for Krishna, we glorify Krishna, we chant for Krishna, we dedicate our life for Krishna. This is our philosophy. We think of Krishna, as Krishna says, we are devotees of Krishna, manmana bhava madbhakta. We worship Krishna, madhyaji. We offer our obeisance to Krishna, Maga Namaskuru, Sarva Dharman Padita. We have no other religion. We don't approve any other religion except Krishna consciousness. This is our philosophy. So, anyone who comes to this Krishna consciousness movement or contributes something for pushing on this movement, he becomes immediately benefited.
Vallabha Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Kamaniyanana Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Kanchavilochana Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Kaliyamardana Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Yashoda Bala Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Yadukula Tilaka Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Nitya Mahotsava Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Nityananda Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Venu Vilola Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Vijay Gopala Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda. Bhaktavatsala Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Bhagavata Priya Govinda, Mahi Kalyana Krishna Govinda, Rajagopala